Hey, what's up guys? So this is the Oral-B Smart 5000 rechargeable toothbrush, superior clean, 100% healthier gums. You can see here it has the indicator for how much pressure you're doing. Turns red, you're doing it too hard. Turns green, you're doing it right. Also, it does connect to your phone, so it has Bluetooth. It has a traveling case, you can see here. And this one has a 2-minute timer. Clean your tooth, 5 different modes, and it has a sensor. To read a little more about it, it's right here. It has 2 minutes quadrant timer, pulse every 30 seconds, deep clean action, rotating and pulsating brush heads, 360 visible pressure sensor, and 5 mode. So you have daily clean, gum clean, sensitive, whitening, and deep clean. Okay, so let's get open and check it out. Okay, you can see everything in here. So you have your beautiful brush handle. So I show you a little more. Bluetooth, the battery, very nice. So here right there, I do have to charge it. You have your manual. Make sure you go through it, show you how to download the app. You have this little nice holder. So you have a brush head. This is your traveling case. Put it in here when you're going to travel. This is the plastic to cover your heads. $15 instant saving when you register. Okay, so get this open. This is where it will be hold. So you will connect this to the outlet. Put your charger, put your toothbrush just like this, and it will charge it. To make it look very fancy, you do have a little holder that will lock in to right here. Okay. Your brush. Here goes your toothbrush heads. And to finish it off, you will close it right here. Okay. Now your brush head will be sticking out through here. And you're good to go. So we'll give it a try, show you guys how it works. Awesome.